Bapak
Sabtu
Ibu
Bu Om, Sabtu, Sabtu,
Sabtu. Oke,
Sabtu.
Ibu mungkin
Sabtu
hari
ya.
Selasa, Ibu Bu Yati, mungkin hari Selasa ya Bu ya, karena saya perlu waktu untuk mengumpulkan TU-nya. Karena
Baik,
hari Minggu masih ada ujian dan hari Senin kita harus
baik,
pisah-pisahkan. Mungkin Ibu
baik.
hari Selasa Ibu bisa ambil ya Bu ya.
Di tata usaha ya, di OPIK
Betul,
ya.
betul.
Ya,
Jadi
baik.
Bapak Ibu, please follow the rules, ada ditulis di atas kertas ujian kapan Bapak Ibu harus mengumpulkan. Di situ ada waktu kalau tidak salah 2 jam. Jadi Bapak Ibu selesaikan 1,5 jam dan itu juga 30 menit dipakai untuk upload. Karena kalau Bapak Ibu terlambat itu tidak akan eh, dibuka ininya, linknya.
Ya,
Jadi usahakan try to be on time ya
Baik
untuk
Bu,
upload. Jangan
baik
ada
Bu.
kendala sinyal. Dan sekarang saya sudah kasih tahu tidak ada kendala sinyal. Bapak Ibu kalau memang sulit di rumah Bapak Ibu bisa pergi ke tempat lain. Saya tidak mengendorse apa. Silakan misalnya di kafe atau di mana yang internetnya anteng selama 2 hari itu. Jadi Bapak Ibu
Ya,
punya waktu untuk advance grammar itu 2 jam kalau tidak salah. 1,5 jam dipakai untuk menjawab, setengah jam try to upload in LMS.
baik,
Ya,
baik Bu.
Bapak
ya.
Ibu kemudian Bapak Ibu menulis di Word sesuai tadi yang diminta Prof. Sunaryati. Before submitting to LMS, try to convert to PDF agar lebih memudahkan. Ya,
Ya,
please convert to PDF karena kalau di Word takutnya berbeda Word yang di TU dengan Word yang Bapak Ibu punya. Please submit in PDF. Oke, itu
oke
saja
Bu.
Bu Yati tambahannya dari saya ya Bu. Punten Bu, saya menyala ya Bu.
Ya, sudah Oom. Saya
Sudah Bu.
masih mau bicara dengan Oom ya.
Ya
Sebentar.
nanti. Ya,
Nggak apa, saya bicara bahasa Sunda atau bahasa Indonesia nggak apa, toh
mangga.
mahasiswa juga ngerti. Om, itu tuh
Ya,
mungkin pada hari Sabtu ya, saya pada hari Sabtunya saya bisa hubungan nggak dengan mahasiswa lewat lewat
Zoom.
lewat HP.
Lewat Zoom enggak Bu, karena mereka punya 3 mata kuliah ujian Bu.
Oh, enggak.
Jadi hari Sabtu depan itu tidak ada kuliah ya Bu ya, Sabtu depan. Dan mereka juga nggak bisa ada kelas pertemuan karena mereka juga ujiannya hari itu 3 mata kuliah kalau nggak salah, kemudian hari Minggu 2 mata kuliah. Begitu Bu.
Nah, jam-jam untuk grammar itu jam jam ke satu, dua, apa ketiga?
Bapak Ibu jam keberapa tuh Bapak Ibu?
Jam 11, Bu.
Jam 11 Bu, berarti jam kedua nih.
Nah, untuk mata kuliah grammar jam 11 ya.
Ya,
Iya ya.
berarti kalau jam 11 sampai jam 1 kurang lebih Bu.
Nah, apakah saya bisa punten Pak Om, ayah saya mau ngecek ngecek Pak, mau ngecek soal akhir nomor 5, bisa nggak?
Kan atos Bu, ku abdi tos dilereskeun. Sadayana anu ti ibu teh tos dilereskeun. Kayak ku
Oh,
abdi dikintun deui ibunya. Kayak ku abdi dikintun deui rada siang kumargi abdi ge aya
ada
kelas Bu.
enggak? Ibu, oh dikintun deui. Mangga, mangga.
Ente bilih ibu bade di ku ibu diangos deui ku abdi dikintun. Tapi
Paminan masih masih ayah sieun masih ayah salah kene.
oh mohon mangga ge ku abdi dikintun karena HP tapi ibu tiasa moka moalnya.
Ayah di dia ya naon teh soalnya ayah di payunan ibu ayah
Aya mahasiswa.
ya jadi eh, hanya ngecek aja, ngecek di mana
Mangga.
koma-komanya ayah perubahan ada lepat ayah
Mohon
dua lepat teh.
Mohon eta teh tos dilereskeun ku abdi Bu, teras ku abdi tos di-upload oge janten ke mahasiswa tapi upami Ibu bade ningali ke ku abdi dikintun kana HP Ibu mung Ibu tiasa ningali moalnya, tiasa muka moalnya Bu. Dina PDF
Biasa, biasa, tapi
biasa
kadang-kadang
mangga,
ada hurufnya.
mangga. Kayak rada siangnya Bu, abdi aya ngakeneh
Maha.
rada siang, abdi masih ngajar.
Oh, gitu mangga Ibu ayah Ibu Mi ayah. Mangga
Itu ku abdi kana HP Bu, kana HP.
mangga.
Mohon. Mohon kitu we ti abdi mah parantos mangga bilih Ibu bade dilajengkeun.
Mangga.
Nuhun Bu.
Mohon. Ya. Upamina wae mah ya. Mugi-mugi teu aya. Iya mah soal koma sanes naon
Mohon.
perkawis koma kedah dicek deui.
Mohon.
Punten.
Mangga. Ku abdi
Ya.
kamari tos dilereskeun, tapi upami aya keneh kalepatan, Ibu kintun deui we ka abdi ke ku abdi dilereskeun deui.
Mung soal anu kalima ada kalimat-kalimat komanya bilih pabaliut da
Mohon.
punten.
Anu hiji mah anu kirang S abunya. Anu hiji kirang S. Aya anu kirang S saur Ibu teh. Terus anu kadua
parantos tos leres ieu mah perkawis koma.
Mohon anu kadua mah koma atos dilereskeun ku abdi.
Mangga bade tapi kintun deui ka Ibu ya.
Mangga
bade diparios
sontenan rada sonten ya Bu.
Mangga.
Mohon.
Mangga.
Nuhun Bu, nuhun.
Sami-sami mangga.
Mohon.
Yes, kelas. All set. Now you can ask any question about the test. Have you understood? Have you understood what I told you about the particulars of the test? There are five tests. Yeah, each test consists of five problems. That's all. And you must write with bigger letters, with bigger fonts.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can easily read your test. Yes, no questions? Everything clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, clear, ma'am.
Thank you. Now we can begin with the class. Today we're going to discuss what? Yes, please announce the moderator and the presenters. First, I will check your presence. Yeah, because I still cannot remember your names. Number one, Putri. Yes, is Putri present? Putri. Hello, Putri, are you there?
Putri siapa, ma'am?
Putri, ya, Putri Ngawirabaya.
Oh, yes, ma'am, I'm here.
No. Putri Andini.
Oh,
Itu makanya macam on the list itu it's fixed ya. Putri Andini ada?
Present, ma'am.
Ada.
Present,
Yeah,
present.
please reply by saying yes. Remember,
Yes, ma'am.
Putri Andini Kameswara.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Uni Handayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Rahmati Purata Ani. Rahmati. Ya, ada Rahmati Purata ya.
Ada.
Arif.
Yes,
Ya,
ma'am. Present.
thank you Arif. Liga.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tuhu ada.
Yes, ma'am.
Putri lagi nih. So there are two putris ya in the class. Putri
Yes, ma'am.
Ngawirabaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Sofiatul.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Twini Zulia.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Nurlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahayu Erlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Atif Atur.
Yes.
Fitri Maulidia.
Yes, ma'am.
Zahra Salsabila.
Yes, ma'am.
Esther Suryani.
Yes, ma'am.
Haris.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Haris, yes.
Yes,
Haris
yes,
is
present.
absent.
Yes.
Okay.
Is Haris there or not?
Yes, I am here.
Yes, Haris.
Present.
Thank you, Haris. And finally,
welcome.
the last one, Astrid.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Astrid. Everybody is
You're
present.
welcome.
Yeah. Now, who is the moderator?
I am, ma'am. I am going to be a moderator for today.
Well, who is I?
Fitri Maulidia. Yeah.
Yeah. Fitri. And the presenter is number one. Siapa?
Uni ya. Uni.
Louder, please.
I am. Uni Handayani.
Please speak up.
Handayani, ma'am.
Tidak kedengaran.
Uni Handayani.
Presenter pertama siapa?
I am. Uni Handayani.
Uni Handayani.
Yes.
Uni Handayani. Alright, thank you, Uni. This is important, yeah, because if you don't mention your name, you won't get a mark. Anda tidak akan dapat nilai kalau tidak disebut ya namanya. Karena Anda diberi nilai nanti. Yani, number two is
Nurlina, ma'am.
slowly. Nurlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Masih ada?
Enough.
Enough.
Only 3 members,
That's it.
ma'am.
Wait. Namanya ketutup. Please repeat your name, the last one.
The last one is Uni Handayani, ma'am.
Handayani ya.
Ya, Uni Handayani.
Enggak, yang pertama apa? Kurang jelas yang pertama.
The first one is Fitri Maulidia.
Bukan, nama pertama, nomor 3 ini yang disebut.
Nurlina,
Ada dua
Nah,
Nurlina.
Nurlina,
Nur.
Oh, hanya ada dua orang.
Nurlina, Mam.
Nurlina.
Nurlina.
Saya nggak dengar ya. Nomor 1,
Ini bocor siapa ya?
Handayani. Nomor 2, Nurlina.
And Fitri
Nomor 3,
Maulidia. Fitri Maulidia.
Fitri Maulidia. Ya.
Yes.
3 ladies. Ya.
Yes.
Yes. Ya,
Okay.
you can begin. And so you are merangkap moderator ya, Fitri.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, Professor Sunarjati, as a lecturer of discourse markers and connectives. We are from the last group in this term. Our group consists of 3 members. The first one is myself. My name is Fitri Maulidia, as a speaker, as a moderator for today. And the second speaker is Miss Nurlina, and the first speaker is Miss Nurlina, and the second speaker is Uni Handayani. Without further ado, let's come to the outline.
Nggak bawa ini saya, nggak bawa apa namanya?
Earphones.
Earphone aja ya.
Saya ada earphones.
The outline of this presentation or discussions divided into 7 parts. The first one is introduction.
Bu Fitri,
Ya.
stop dulu deh. Nanti
Oke,
diulang.
oke,
Dulu.
oke.
Earphone dulu ya.
Oke.
Miss, ininya harusnya di-download dulu kayaknya ya. Ini kurang gede.
sorry, kayaknya slide-nya nggak berubah deh, masih di slide pertama itu.
Nge-lag deh kayaknya slide-nya. Miss,
Coba
Ya,
di aku coba.
Aku stop dulu ya.
Iya. Bentar, mudah-mudahan ada. Sebentar, let me check first. Apa tuh di judulnya, Miss? Discourse?
Discourse.
Oke, minute. Mana ya? Bukan register ya?
Di WhatsApp aja, Miss.
Bentar, aku cek dulu. Salah. Kan aku
Nah,
nyarinya di
nggak
mana?
ada, nggak ada.
Salah.
Sayang.
Ya.
Oh, itu ya. Yang di patuh.
Enggak ya?
Bentar aku cek dulu ininya. Aduh.
Sudah lama ya ini. Coba dulu ya. Silakan dipakai yang udah lama nih. Ini aja pada lepas.
Saya buka dulu, Miss.
Coba yang
Discourse.
Tes Bu, tes Bu, suaranya Bu.
Silakan bicara.
Oke.
Gambarnya sih jelas sekali.
Kedengaran ya?
Cantik. Ya, please repeat your name, Fitri Maulida.
Our group.
Yeah, very good, Fitri. I can hear you very clearly.
Our group consists of 3 members. The first one is myself. My name is Fitri Maulidia, as a moderator for today. And next one, the first speaker is Miss Nurlina, and the next speaker is Miss Uni Handayani. Miss, sudah ada belum, Miss?
Udah ada. Minute.
Yes, you can begin.
Yeah, wait a minute.
This one? This one? Minute, Miss.
Loading, Miss.
Iya, sama ini juga. Loading ya? Why? Kecil ya, Miss?
Ya.
Kecil ya?
Ditampilkan aja, Miss. Tampilkan.
Sudah.
Belum.
Bentar, yang mana sih?
Ini tuh di atas tuh, tampilkan. Nah,
Ini.
Ya.
Bentar. Kok nggak bisa diklik? Bisa. Ada yang bisa bantu ini nggak sih? Ini tampilkan. Begini ya. Udah sih. Nggak bisa. Begini ya.
Klik tampilkan layar penuh, Bu.
Ya betul, tampilkan itu tadi ada layar penuh, Bu. Klik
Ini.
tampilkan dulu.
di loading itu kayaknya.
Iya.
Nah, sebelah kiri layar penuh.
layar
Nah, ya,
Itu
betul.
Sebentar.
Tampilkan.
Ini ya.
Ah, itu udah betul.
Ya.
Nah, tampilkan.
Sudah.
Enggak, yang bawah,
Tampilkan yang di bawah, Bu.
Ungu, yang
Yang
ungu,
bawah.
Miss.
Nah, yang
Ungu.
betul. Ya. Ya.
Bentar.
Nah, udah.
Oke.
Fine.
Yang
Agak lemot ya.
Tinggal kursor aja, Bu, kiri kanan nanti.
Siap. Who is speaking?
I am.
Siapa yang mulai?
Me. Our discussion is divided into 7 parts. The first part is introduction. The second part is definition. The third part is theoretical background. The fourth part is functional classification. The fifth part is discourse markers in spoken versus written English. The sixth part is relationship between DMS and cohesion. And the last part is summary. Next, Miss. Well, introduction. In English discourse, achieving coherence, logical flow of ideas and cohesion, grammatical and lexical linking is essential for effective communication. Two major linguistic devices that contribute to these are discourse markers, DMS, and connectives. Both help to organize discourse, link ideas, and guide interpretation. Yet, they function at different levels of language, one pragmatic, one grammatical. Understanding their distinctions Understanding their distinctions and overlaps provides insight into how meaning is built beyond the sentence level. Next one. Definitions. Discourse markers, DMS, are lexical items such as words, phrases, or expressions that functions primarily to signal primarily to signal relationships between segments of discourse. They do not affect the propositional content of the utterance, but influence its interpretation in context. Fraser in 1999 defines discourse markers as a class of pragmatic markers that signal a relationship between the discourse segment they introduce and the prior discourse. Examples: well, you know, I mean, actually, anyway, however, therefore, in fact, by the way. DMS help the speaker or writer for organize information, indicate attitude, Miss nggak kelihatan, Miss. Manage interaction, and mark transition and boundaries in discourse. Next one, please. Connectives. Connectives, also called conjunctive elements or linking words, are words or phrases that grammatically connect clauses, sentences, or paragraphs, showing...
Sorry, please stop. Oh, close ya, bukan
Yes.
close.
Yeah, I already say clauses.
No,
Close.
no. Look at me. Look at me. Open your mouth. No, wrong. Dibuka mulutnya. Dibuka. No, look at me. Bisa lihat saya nggak ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Nah, look at my lips. Seperti pokok ya. Ini it is a very common mistake. Ya. Apalagi we often use this word. Clause.
Clauses, right? Clauses, sentences, or paragraphs showing logical semantic relations between them. Halliday and Hassan in 1976 identify connectives. Identify connectives as part of cohesive.
Yeah, and Anda cenderung memberi tekanan pada kata pertama, ya, pada suku kata pertama. Itu salah. Biasanya suku kata kedua, cohesive, ya. Please go on.
Cohesive devices classified under conjunction, additive, adversative, causal, temporal. Examples: and, but, because, although, since, so, therefore, whereas, moreover, however, consequently. Connectives
Consequently.
Connectives explicitly mark how ideas relate to each other. Addition, contrast, cause, purpose, time, etc. Next one.
Purpose.
Purpose. Yeah. This one, the comparison table between feature, discourse markers, and connectives. Linguistic level, pragmatic discourse level, grammatical or semantic clause level. Function, organized conversation, show speaker's attitude, manage discourse, connect ideas logically within or across sentences. Meaning contribution, pragmatic or interpretive, propositional or logical. Form, often parenthetical or independence units, conjunctions, adverbials, prepositional phrases.
Adverbial.
Okay, adverbials, prepositional phrases. Typically used, spoken language also appears in informal writing, written and formal texts. Examples: well, anyway, actually, you know, because, although, however, therefore. Next one, Miss. Okay, this one, the theoretical background. Halliday and Hasan in
Sorry,
19...
this is
Oh,
me.
oh ya, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. Terlalu bersemangat.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss
Okay,
Vicky.
next one will be
I'm sorry.
continued by Miss Uni Handayani ya, Eyang.
Yeah,
Yeah.
alright.
Theoretical background is Halliday and Hassan's 1976 Cohesion in English.
Cohesion in English.
Cohesion in English. Cohesion in English is the linguistic and structural property that makes a text, spoken or written, stick together and form a unified whole. It refers to the use of specific grammatical and lexical vocabulary devices to link sentences, paragraphs, and ideas.
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 Distress. Yes.
Ideas, ensuring a smooth and logical flow of information.
Flow. Ucapannya flow, bukan flow. Flow. No. Yes.
Flow
Yes.
information.
Very good.
Okay. 5. Function examples: additive, addition, besides. The function to add information. Example, and, moreover, in. Adversative, nevertheless.
Adversative.
Adversatives, nevertheless, to show contrast of positions.
Opposition.
Opposition, right?
No, susah ya. Ya susah kan. Opposition.
Opposition. But, however, causes, because, to show cause and effect. So
Effect. Yeah.
Effect. So, therefore. Temporal. Finally. Meanwhile. The function to show time sequence. First, then, next. And the next slide, Miss. They classify connectives under conjunction, which establish relationship between clauses, additive, and also in additions. Example, my neighbor work as nurse, and she volunteers at the animal shelters every weekend. I'm sorry, Miss. Adversative. I'm forgot. Adversative, but, however, yet. Example, I wanted to go to this concert, but the tickets were all sold out. Causal, because, so, therefore. Example, she decided the major in chemistry because she excelled in science classes in high school. Temporal, then, next, finally. Example, I finished preparing the dough, then I place it in the oven to bake. Next, Miss. Discourse markers framework. Discourse marker framework refers to the theoretical and analytical structure used in linguistics, particularly in discourse analysis and pragmatic analysis and pragmatics to study the function and placement of word and phrases that manage and phrases that manage the flow, structure, and relationship between different segments of talk or text. Cyprian identifies Cyprian identifies DMS as contextual coordinates that connect discourse planes. Coordinates that connects discourse planes such as ideationals, content relations, actional, speech arc relations, exchangeals, interactional management, information state, topic management. I'm sorry, Miss. Tidak kelihatan tertutup. Oke. Participation framework, speaker, listener relations. Common markers and, that, or, so, because, now, well, then, you know, I mean. I think enough. And the next slide will be presented by Miss Nurlina. Miss Nurlina, time yours.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Uni. Let's continue.
Okay.
Pragmatic marker theory. Fraser sees DMS as a subclass of pragmatic markers that relate the current utterance to the prior discourse, indicate a specific interpretive relationship, contrastive, elaborative, inferential, and etc. He divides the MS into types: contrastive markers. The example is but, however, on the other hand. Elaborative markers and, moreover, in addition. Inferential markers, so, therefore, thus, consequently.
Now, the stress on consequently.
Consequently.
Very good.
Topic change markers. By the way, anyway. Temporal markers. Then, after that, finally. Functional classification is a method of categorizing things, whether linguistic elements, word, or biological organs, based on their purpose, role, or action within a larger system, rather than on their physical form, structure, or origin.
Rather than
on their physical form, structure, or origin. It answers the question, what does this item do? Number 1, linguistics, discourse markers, and grammar. In the study of language, functional classification is paramount. Discourse markers, these are categorized by the relationship they signal between ideas, for example, additive and, moreover, contrastive, but, however, causal, so, because. This contrasts with a structural classification. As an example, classifying and as a conjunction, however, as an adverb. Word classes, traditional grammar, Words are often classified by their function in a sentence. For example, a noun functions as the subject or object. A verb functions as the action. Now, it is about a relationship between the MS and cohesion. Is it true? Yes, cohesion. Yes, cohesion. Discourse markers and connectives both contribute to cohesion. According to Halliday and Hassan, 1976, cohesion operates through 1. Reference pronouns, demonstratives. Number 2, substitution. Number 3, ellipsis. Number 4, lexical cohesion. Number 5, conjunction. Connectives and discourse markers fall here. Hence, they are linguistic bridges that ensure a text hangs together.
Bridges, ada S-nya kan? Kenapa tidak diudapkan S-nya?
Sorry, ma'am.
Linguistic bridges.
They are linguistic bridges that ensure a text hangs together. Here is the summary. Number first, aspect, discourse markers, and the connectives. The linguistic roles.
You tend, Anda cenderung S akhir itu tidak diucapkan. Discourse markers, connectives. Come on, repeat. You must get used to that. Memang
Yes,
dalam bahasa Indonesia jarang ada S paling akhir. Ya,
Yes.
discourse markers.
Discourse markers, connectives, linguistic
Yeah.
role, pragmatic markers for discourse management, conjunctive links for logical relations, level of operation, discourse or interactional, clause, sentence, paragraph.
Itu sentence. Ucapkan dong. Sentence clearly. Ya, the final S. And
Sentence.
Sentence. Yeah.
Sentence.
Yes.
Meaning type, interactional, attitudinal, logical, and semantic. Common text, it is spoken or informal. And the connective is written and formal. For example, well, actually, you know,
Examples.
examples. Examples. In discourse markers, well, actually, you know, by the way. And in connectives, because, however, therefore, although. And this is the last one about the conclusion. Discourse.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Conclusion. Discourse markers and connectives are key elements that create
Elements. S-nya yang jelas ya.
Elements.
That's
That create cohesion and coherence in both spoken and written texts. They link ideas logically, mark relationships between parts of discourse, and help organize communication effectively. In short, they ensure that a text they ensure that a text.
No. Itu dari kata sure. Jadi tekanannya pada sure.
And sure.
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 Yes, and sure.
And sure.
Yes.
Okay. And sure that a text is clear, connected, and unified. I think that's all, Miss.
All right, thank you. Please exercise yourself here in pronunciation.
All right, ma'am.
Pronunciation is very important. Yeah. Because you contact people by speaking. So your speech must be clear. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So please exercise by yourself.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Well, what do we do next, Fitri, Maulida, the moderator? What is next?
Because this material is about connectives, maybe you can make a exercise for us and explain about connectives and what is Miss Lina? Conjunction, yeah.
Connective. Yes,
Connective and conjunction.
All right, so we turn back, yeah. I cannot read from your faces. I only see your face. Now, I must look at first. All right. Now, I will begin with Fitri, yeah?
Yes.
Now make a sentence, Fitri, make a sentence using addition connectives. Yeah. You see here, and also, moreover, furthermore, in addition. Choose one of them and make a sentence.
Okay. I choose and. For
All right.
example, this morning I ate noodle and drank a glass of milk.
Very good. Yes. Thank you. Now, Uni Handayani, will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
try
I'm here. Already.
and using furthermore.
Furthermore. Wait a minute, ma'am.
Yes?
Wait.
Uni, can you
Okay,
try?
wait a minute. The teachers
Furthermore.
explains relations clearly. Furthermore, she gave many examples to help students understand.
Yeah. Thank you. Please repeat slowly, clearly, yeah?
The teachers explained the lessons.
The picture is
The
what?
lesson. Furthermore, the C gap student understand. Right, ma'am?
Yes, that's not quite clear. Yeah, just think of a very short sentence. You are reading from some writing. Yeah.
Okay.
Furthermore, itu artinya, what is the meaning of furthermore? It's the same meaning actually. Also, for instance, this morning is a sunny morning. Furthermore, there are no clouds. Yeah.
Okay.
Furthermore itu artinya sama dengan also atau bukan and also in addition. Itu artinya furthermore. Can you try another sentence?
Maybe wait a minute.
Uni,
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute.
just a short sentence.
Furthermore, we need more time. Like this, ma'am.
Furthermore itu
Furthermore,
tidak.
we need more time.
Nah, Anda tidak bisa memulai kalimat dengan furthermore. Furthermore itu harus mengacu ke sesuatu yang sudah disebut. Seperti saya tadi, today is a sunny day. Hari ini hari cerah. Kemudian atau di samping itu tidak ada angin. Nah, how you say that in English using furthermore? Hari ini hari cerah.
Today is sunny day.
Is a sunny day.
It's a sunny day. And then, can you repeat again? I'm sorry.
Dan atau kemudian.
Oh, and then.
Tidak ada angin.
No wings. Wings sayap. Sorry.
Tidak ada angin.
Tidak ada angin.
Angin. Itu kalimat-kalimat sangat sederhana.
I'm sorry.
Today is sunny.
Today is sunny day, and then
tidak ada angin.
No wind today.
It is no wind, not windy.
No
today.
wind today.
It's not windy.
Nah,
Windy today.
you repeat after me ya.
Okay.
Ini kalimatnya sangat-sangat sederhana. Today is a sunny day. Now
Today
repeat.
is sunny day. Today is.
No.
Oh.
It's a sunny day. Dalam bahasa Inggris harus ada a dong.
Today is a sunny day.
And tidak ada angin.
No windy today. Wind.
Dan tidak ada angin.
And then no windy today. It's not windy today, Miss.
It is
Alright.
not windy today.
It's not windy today.
You simply say, Anda dengan sangat sederhana, tidak ada angin. But
No
how do you
winds
say
today. No winds today. No windies
there
today.
There is no
not windy today. There is no windies today. Winds today.
Yeah. There is no wind. Tidak ada angin. 3 kata bahasa Indonesia coba terjemahkan ke dalam Inggris. Tidak ada angin.
There is no.
Ya Allah, ini S2 ya.
I'm
There
sorry, ma'am.
is no wind. Now repeat after me. There is no wind.
There is no wind.
Ya, 3 kata ya. Aduh, Anda. Ya,
I'm sorry, ma'am.
now. You should be sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry.
All right. I go back to Fitri. Now, comparison Fitri, ya, nomor D, comparison. John is at home. Yeah. Sorry. John ada di rumah. Kakaknya juga di rumah. Ya, siapa ya Fitri? Ya, Fitri, coba.
I already. Okay.
John
is
Yeah.
at home, and also
kakaknya juga di rumah.
yes, and also her sister is at home.
Ya.
John is at home, and also her sister is at home.
Ya. Tapi Anda tidak memakai salah satu. Coba lihat nomor D. Pakailah similarly, likewise. Can you repeat?
Great. John is at home, and also her sister.
Anda tadi ada kata comparison contexts itu ada similarly, likewise, in the same way. Tapi tidak ada also. Tapi also all sama juga, ya. Anda baca dari coba lihat tadi yang kan we are discussing discourse makers and connectives ya. Bukan.
Yeah.
Nah, di sana kan ada contoh-contoh banyak. Discourse makers or connectives. Coba lihat. Siapa yang baca itu tadi? Anyway.
Yeah, anyway.
Bukan. I'm talking in English, ya. Anda kalau kurang mengerti, saya akan bicara dalam bahasa Indonesia, ya. Kita bicara sekarang tentang comparison. Bukankah kita bicara tentang discourse makers and connectives tadi? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ini Uni Handayani, coba.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Uni, coba cari tadi bagian mengenai comparison.
Comparison. Wait.
Atau Anda baca tadi Uni, coba.
Yes, ma'am. Comparison table.
Sudah ketemu comparison?
Sudah, Miss. Sudah.
Alright. Baca kata-kata yang menunjukkan comparison. Baca coba.
Wait a moment. Linguistic levels, pragmatic, kata-katanya kan dulu. Wait. Oh, well, anyway, actually, you know. Well, anyway, actually, you know. Because, although, however, therefore. Enough, Miss.
Baik. Anda pilih satu kata.
Actual, because aja deh.
Choose one word.
I like coffee because
Ya, one word, satu kata.
Oh, satu
Kata,
kata.
salah satu kata yang Anda tadi baca,
Oh,
pakailah.
because
Pilihlah.
I
Ya.
choose because.
Ya.
I like
Because.
because the coffee is sweet.
Alright. Thank you. Then I go to Nurlina ya atau
Yes, ma'am. Nurlina.
ya
Yes.
Nurlina. Choose salah satu bagian. Tadi kita membaca bagian-bagian apa saja? Yang Anda baca tadi bagian-bagian apa saja? Coba. Karena di depan saya nggak ada. Sekarang nggak ada.
Relationship. Apa ya?
What do you want to use? An example of relationship?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. What is the word? Katanya, what is the word? What
It is
word do
about
you choose?
reference.
It is about.
It is about
It is
reference. Reference, pronoun, and demonstrative.
All right, you choose one word and make a sentence.
All right, ma'am. A minute.
What word do you
I
choose?
choose this, maybe, ya, ma'am. This, ini.
All right, this.
Yes.
This, ini.
Ya, betul, ma'am.
Dalam bahasa ya. Karena saya kalau tidak lihat mulut kamu, saya nggak jelas. Ya.
This, ini,
So
tapi tunggal.
Yeah, the word ini is what in English then?
This, tunggal,
Yes.
this.
All right, use this.
Right. This is my home.
All right, it's very, very simple.
Yes.
This is my home.
Yes.
Itu Anda pasti dapatnya waktu dulu di SMP ya. Baik. Now I go back to Fitri. Yeah. Now Fitri, take a word from the text you read tadi. Ambillah satu kata dari teks yang Anda baca tadi. Ya. Silakan. Anda pilih sajalah yang Anda baca tadi. Karena bacaan Anda tidak sama dengan bacaan saya bentuknya. Ya. Siapa sih yang dapat giliran ini? Begitu lama. Siapa yang mau? Who wants to give an example? Come on. Uni sudah dapat giliran tadi ya. Nurlina sudah dapat giliran juga. Tapi belum kedua kalinya ya.
Belum.
Belum. Mana Nurlina? Nurlina.
I'm here. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Right. Anda belum dapat your second turn. Belum ya. Belum kedua
Yes, ma'am.
kalinya ya.
Yes, ma'am.
What text are you reading in front of you? Ada teks apa? Mengenai apa?
I'm reading about a causal. The function is to show cause and effect.
Ya, cause and effect. Alright.
Yes.
Very good. Terus di sana ada contoh-contoh connectives.
Yes,
Betul
ma'am.
nggak?
Yes.
Ya. Ya. Now choose one word. Apa mau because, since, therefore, make a sentence with one of the words. Can
I
you
choose
follow me?
therefore. Yes, ma'am. I choose
Yeah.
therefore.
Very good, very good. Yes.
The sentence is, it was very hot, therefore we drank a lot of water.
Yes, that's very good. Excellent. Yeah, bagus. Now I go back to Uni Handayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Uni Handayani.
I'm here.
Uni Handayani.
I'm
ya.
here, ma'am. I'm here.
Yes. Nah, Uni, di sana Anda lihat apa? Ada ABC ya. Ada addition, ada contrast, ada cause and effect. Anda mau pilih mana?
Cause effect. Wait, ma'am.
Apa?
Bentar dulu. Aku baca dulu. So, okay.
Cause and effect ya.
Cause and effect. So.
Ya, cause and effect. Kata apa yang Anda pilih?
So, miss.
So.
So.
Tapi tidak ada.
Ada.
Hanya contohnya.
Example.
Ada.
So, cause and effect.
Ya.
So, example. Okay.
Ya,
I will try
sama.
to make a sentence. Use so. The kids are so creative.
No. Wait. Itu kan contoh, Anda seperti nyontek.
Yang mana, Miss? Yang
Karena
so,
sudah
therefore.
keluarkan kalimat. Anda bikin kalimat sendiri.
Yeah.
Dengan memakai similarly, likewise, in the same way. Cause and effect ya.
So,
Anda harus pakai because, since, therefore, atau as a result, thus, consequently. Jangan memakai so. So itu seolah-olah Anda nyontek saja. She was tired, so she went to bed early. Ya. Ya, pakailah. Pilihlah similarly atau likewise atau in the same way.
Wait a moment, Miss.
Bukan. Cause and effect ya.
Iya.
Gampang saja. Because, since, therefore, as a result, thus, consequently. Salah satu pakai.
Okay, I can use because.
Yes, of course, you can.
Bentar, Miss.
Di grup Miss. Dilihat.
I use because I try to make a sentence use because. Wait a minute, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Okay. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well last night.
Very good. All right. Please repeat slowly.
I am tired because I didn't sleep well last night.
All right. I'm tired because I did not sleep last night. All right. Ana, to who? Yeah. You choose one of the words. Function and examples ya. Tadi chapter 7 itu. Kan ada addition, contrast, cause and effect, comparisons, etc., etc. You choose one to who?
Therefore,
Which one do you use?
therefore,
Wait. Therefore, mana ada therefore?
kalau tidak ada consequently.
Anda you're looking at another page ya. Coba yang tadi saja you choose one of. What do you want to use?
Sin since cause and effect.
Oh, cause and effect. Ya lah, balik cause and effect. Baik, silahkan cause and effect.
I feel hungry because I didn't had breakfast.
Alright, because ya. Jadi tidak jadi since ya. Sama aja because since is the same. Thank you Tuhu. Anyone in the class ya. Siapa saja yang di kelas ini yang mau coba kalimat yang singkat. Ini untuk kebaikan Anda sekarang. Kebaikan Anda sendiri ya sebagai latihan. Siapa yang mau coba dari discourse makers and connectives ini? You choose from number 2. Addition, contrast, opposition, cause. Ya, siapa yang mau nyoba? Please. Who was that?
Putri, ma'am.
Fitri, silakan Fitri.
Putri, ma'am.
What? Yes, thank you. Yeah, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
I choose contrast, ma'am. However.
Yes, very good.
This is the sentence. He is very kind. However, he can be a little shy sometimes.
Yeah. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. Yeah. Siapa saja, please say one sentence. You can choose yourself. Yeah. Silakan. Ini untuk kebaikan Anda sendiri ya, nggak usah malu-malu lah. But speak up clearly, ucapannya clear. What do you want to say? Mau ambil dari kelompok mana? Di sini ada 20 mahasiswa ya. Ayo, kenapa sih Anda malu-malu? Baru 4-5 orang barangkali tadi. Yang mereka itu juga they are they are the presenters. Ini di luar presenter. Siapa saja? Siapa?
I want to try, ma'am. Please.
Who is
Astri.
Astri Permatasari? Please,
Yes, ma'am.
silakan Astri.
I want to, for example, yang casual, cause and effect.
Cause and effect.
Cause
Ya,
and
silakan.
effect.
Yes.
It was very hot, so we went to the beach.
Ya, bagus sekali. Lah, begitu. Bagus sekali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just short sentences saja. Kalimat-kalimat singkat. Ya. Next, siapa lagi? Come on. Putri, ya belum ada Putri. Putri belum. Ya, silakan Putri. Putri Ngawirabaya. Silakan. Pilih mana saja.
Lagi Miss Putri.
Tadi sudah, ma'am.
Oh, sudah. Ya. Takut ya. Ya. Ya Allah.
Rahmati, ma'am.
Siapa?
Rahmati.
Please, Rahmati, silakan sekali. Rahmati.
I want to make a sentence from add information, moreover. Over.
Nomor berapa, Wait?
Add information. Number 1.
Enggak.
Moreover.
Enggak ada information.
Additional
Information.
information, moreover.
Wait. Anda ngambil dari kelompok yang sama yang sudah diucapkan yang teman-temannya tadi. Yaitu addition, contrast, opposition, atau cause and effect, comparison, time sequence. Tuh, ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kelompok. Ya, pilih satu.
I choose moreover.
Dari mana? Di kelompok mana?
Theoretical background.
Addition.
Yes, addition.
Kelompok
addition.
Ya, kelompok addition. Ya.
Okay.
Ya. Aduh, seperti kabayan ya. Ya,
Okay. The sentence is, the movie was exciting. Moreover, the ending was surprising.
Gak bisa. The movie was what?
Was exciting.
Exciting. Ya.
Yeah.
Terus?
Moreover,
bagian
the ending was surprising.
Oh, baik. Ya, baik. Ya. Baik. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Silakan. To who are you talking to me? What is it? Ada apa tuh?
Time is up. Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh. Class? To who says that hour is over?
Yes,
We have to stop. Yeah. Now, once again, I wish you luck in your test. Yeah.
Amin, ma'am. Amin.
We see each other in 2 weeks' time, I think. Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you for your presence and thank you for trying. And you must try. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise. You must try making yourself just short sentences. And finally, I wish you a happy Sunday. Yeah. And good luck with your test. Goodbye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.